Um, hi guys, This is day 13. Day 12, I had recorded it and I accidentally posted it as a day 11. Posted it as a short. I'm sorry. I'd appreciate if you guys go check that one as well. But today, day 13, it wasn't a day where I was looking at high time frames. I was just looking at the lower time frames. To be honest, uh, this is what an experiment here. When was this? Yeah, this is an experiment. But today's short. This is when this is actually let me explain this. This is what was I doing here? I was trying to test the PM session. I was trying to test PM session. Sadly got stopped. But I didn't use my real account on this one since I was just testing. I wanted to see something. But this one on the other hand is the one that I took. So today I took a win and an L. Took a win and an L. I'll show you guys that L in a bit. It's not on this live. It's not on FP Market. It's not on TradingView. It's on FP Market. So so let me explain this win. This W here. Let me explain this W. I realized that coming into 2 a.m. we had taken out Asia highs. That was a very significant level for me. We took our Asia highs, and then we created an S&T divergence with S&P, which is this here. Nasdaq failed to come and take out this high. Jokes. S&P is the one that failed to come take out this high, whereas in Nasdaq we actually came out to take this high. This is this high. No, it's not. It's this one. Because I was having a rough day. Sorry. But this is the S&T. Nasdaq took out this high, whereas remember that's 10 something. While ES failed to take out this. What is up with me today? That is. Oh no, I'm correct. This is 6 p.m. and this should also be 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Yeah, it's 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Oh yeah, this is gonna be such a raw video because I don't want to edit. I'm gonna show you guys the mistakes that I make sometimes when I talk. I'm really trying to get used to talking to myself at the mic, so that I can actually start going live. Because right now I can see that I'm not that confident when I talk to myself that much. So it's a work in progress. But yeah, we created an S&T. We took out a significant level of liquidity, which was these Asia highs. Next, I was targeting Asia lows. I waited for a market structure shift as always at this candle. We had it. Candle closure below these lows, this swing point, and then we created a fair value gap, your perfect 2022 model. Here I took the short and then I took off position scaling in from this low. That was my first take profit, and then the second one was constant encroachment of this this big wick. I wanted to this. I don't like these kind of wicks because they can sometimes act as support. Since we're treating long wicks as fair value gaps, you could have seen this push price higher, but thank God it didn't, and then we ended up taking Asia lows. Now coming into 3 a.m., which is the time when I was supposed to genuinely trade, we had already taken out significant lows. In the day, I was really now starting to become really bullish after we took out Asia lows because I took that as the manipulation of the day. So basically, I wanted to see higher prices, but I was still in the mentality that I wanted to see 3 a.m. push price low to take out this low as well. It's 2 a.m. low because it's part of the silver bullet. I had an idea of what I wanted, which is why I failed to execute at this fair value gap here. This small fair value gap here. I should have this small fair value gap here. My Wi-Fi is bugging. Just give it a sec. Give it a sec. So the small fair value gap here was not only a fair value gap, but it was a balanced price range. When we left this it was a clicking moment because it told me that no, not only are we failing to come back into this fair value gap, we're also failing to come back to this balanced price range. I wanted to leave this fair value gap as a balanced price range. So that was me coming into the 3 a.m. So I saw this fair value gap that we're retesting it. Then I was like, okay, that's not a part of my model. What I want to see is sell side be tagged. I was conflicting between I want sell side to be tagged as well as I want price to remain really heavy bullish. So since I had conflicting ideologies, I decided to just not be part of this move because it was not playing good. It was not going well with my mental, and when it's not aligning with my mental, I don't think it's a good time for me to trade. But all in all, it was a beautiful trade. It was a nice trade. It was something that I journaled, something that I noted, something that I took down as well. So I won't complain about today. And then when you move on to my L for the day, let me just switch markets. Let me switch this thing. I took this on demo and on my live account. And FP Markets is the market that I want to start using next week as a live account. I mean, I open a live account with it eventually. It's where I actually took my L's for the day. Took a couple of L's actually. Okay, this is when I had conflicting ideologies here. I wanted to come take the short because this is a short right here. I wanted to take the short. But then I was like, wait, conflicting ideologies. Let me just stop. Then I was like, okay, I backed off the charts because when I have conflicting ideologies, I'm gonna think a lot and it's gonna stress me. I'm gonna become emotional, so I'd rather not be part of that. So I don't count this one as a loss. This was just a lesson for me that that when I'm having two conflicting thoughts, I should not engage, or I should really think hard about what I should be doing in that moment in time. Because this is a macro. There was a macro, the 350, not 350, but 250, 210 micro. And instead of pushing price lower like it was normally supposed to do, it pushed price higher, taking out this form of liquidity. And then we inverse this fair value gap here. This particular fair value gaps, and inverse fair value gaps are really strong PD rates for price. So I should have waited for this, either this entry, or again I should have waited for this my Wi-Fi is bugging again. As a trading view, I'm not sure. I also should have waited for this breaker, but not breaker, but order block, seeing as how price was respecting to the tick. And as you can see here, price was failing to displace below midnight open, which was one heck of a confluence. I was just tape reading price and it was awesome. Now the actual loss that I took for the day came here. Loss is not just loss. These are losses, people. These are losses. I don't even want to lie to you. These are intense losses, bro. I mean, I'm still up on the week, but damn, bro, these losses just peak. So I had my 2022 model here. We had this movement up, and then we had a market structure shift over here. I wasn't very content because we didn't have a fair value gap here. So I waited for another form of market structure shift, which was this heavy displacement here. This heavy displacement at this candle. Sorry. This candle, this wide body candle. This displacement here. I wanted to see this this remained as my market structure shift because it closed below this swing, and it created a fair value gap. So this was my entry. Going short. This is my sell for the day. I wanted to see price just push. I just wanted the market to go low because look at all this, bro. I was so in the mood for going short for today, but sadly I got stopped out here because I after this big displacement low, I just thought price would just remain heavy. So this was a break-even trade, seeing as how we got in relatively around this candle, and then we got out at this candle, which is this low actually. I put it here. So a break-even trade, and then we had this one where I actually thought this one was quite interesting. What do I want to see here, bro? I wanted to see this close, to be honest. I just wanted to see this close, bro. I wanted to see this slow. Dog. Oh, this one was really confusing, to be honest. This is really confusing. But simply put, this candle, it was like 10 seconds away from closing. So it's like it's gonna create a fair value gap, making it a balanced price range. So when price gaps back into it, there's a high probability that it sends it lower. So that didn't happen. And I was like, damn. I got tagged in either way. So I was like, you know what, let me just kill the position. Because, well, there's no point. And then it make it for value gap. So I just killed the position. This is why I closed on the next candle, because I entered on the other candle, killed it on the second candle. And then we move on to this position, which is I sold 5. Same idea actually. Value gap here. This one actually aligned with this thought process. Let me show you guys. Something. This one didn't align with the whole lot actually. Now that I see it, I just saw it for value. This is why I should stop trading in demo. I'm telling y'all, these two trades. I'm telling y'all, man. This is because I'm in demo. I wouldn't have taken these things, bro. Especially this one, guys. This one, it just doesn't make sense. That's why I shouldn't be playing on demo, fam. The only proper trades that I took today, to be honest, if I'm really not lying, I'm really not like on Johnson, it's this one. Although I took an L, it was low risk. I took this L and I'm fine with it. I journaled this because this is what I genuinely would have taken on my real account. And then we move on to this one, which is the peak trade. Let it load because I don't know if it's my Wi-Fi or trading view, but you guys get the gist of it there with the London trade. Here it was also let me just let it load. I'm gonna pause the video for a bit. And we're back. Like I was saying, this is the trade that I would have taken. This one, the one from here to taking out major lows, as well as this one. This one, I just really need to be what is it called? I have to really not be tunnel visioned, is what I'm trying to say. Because the silver bullet here would have been an interesting idea, but I should understand that we already took out an important level of sell side. So obviously we have to come take out an important high before we think about going short. So all in all, this wasn't a bad trade. This wasn't a bad day. This was a great day to learn again, as always. I hope you guys tune in next time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys loved the video. I hope you guys have a blessed week. Have a blessed day. And God bless every one of you. Stay blessed. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I'll see you guys. I'm not sure if I'm posting a video tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm trading next week actually, because I have to be traveling on Friday. Coming back around probably Thursday, so I'll be online. But I'll try and see how I'll be consistent with the charts. But I'm just telling you guys all in advance that I might not post tomorrow, Friday, and Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. Yeah, it was 5 days, and then I'll catch you guys on the next video. Stay blessed, and I love you guys for it. Especially those who are watching. Be consistent with my stuff, even though I'm new at this YouTube thing. But yeah, thanks. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you all next time on this YouTube channel. And goodbye. It's a wrap.